The paint on the front hood tip was cracked and needed to be repaired. He came to me to have it repaired and I charged him $100 for the repair. You will be surprised at the end of the video, so don't miss the end. First, we scrape the cracked part with a knife and remove the paint. Smooth the inside of that part with 1500 grit sandpaper and then mattify the edges with 2500 grit sandpaper. Now we need the right car paint and a credit card. We apply the paint to the damaged area with a credit card, then wipe off the excess paint with a cotton swab dipped in thinner around it, and apply it again with the card after 10 minutes. We do this in 3 steps until the damaged area is completely covered. Now we'll let it sit for a few hours until it dries completely. Then we'll smooth that area with 2500 grit sandpaper. Now we finish the job with a professional polishing step. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like. Thanks.